I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Oh. Okay. Okay, this seems to be working. Okay, no, thank you. Alright, so that's the line. Okay, so we do this. Okay, so basically this is the thing you have to do. Turn a world position. So do we have to do this on... This should be fine though. Okay, so this is a client script. Okay, where's my mouse? So this is going to be the flash. We have the client script that we're going to be using. Just the remote events. Check flash. Fuck is this? Good sound. Maybe this is a remote function. Because we're gonna need this return, so check flash and then we do client involved equals each on screen. Wait, how is this the wait a second. So on client involved, let's open the documentation. Check how the syntax looks. Okay, so we do remote function to on server invoke. Okay, how is the client invoke? Virtual, okay, arguments. Okay, it still doesn't help on how it should look. Okay, so finally figured it out. So basically,
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but
I
you
think, I think this should be correct then.
why we lose.
I think so, yes. So let me.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Player. Wait. So we have to do something like. Local players equals game of players get players. Well, IV pairs players do V in invoke line. Large dog position. And it should be returning true or false. If a local result, if result goes true, then actually just do false, then return ends. Oh, then continue, and then continue, and
Story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step
local
still,
slash
hanging in the
players
balance of the life I want to live. I want to take it all, stand
able to insert
with the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see.
slash players and values player, and then simply print slash players. This should work, right? I'll give him one submission right now. Okay, let's just like the issue of a good thing. What is the step position equal to nil? Okay, so is this the issue? Yes, okay. Oh. That's so cool. So okay, so we have this. We don't need to be printing the position of the thing. We don't need to be printing the table. I mean yep. Let's do it one more time. Should be flashed. Should be flashed. Should first. Should not be first. Yep. Works like a charm. So now we're gonna take the flash players and do 4i in pairs flash players do. We're gonna run a remote event called flash players. We're gonna do I'll go RE equals can go to storage, wait for child flash players RE dot event client function total function flash player so probably just instance the new code correction, then just remove it since this is a player script that doesn't affect character or cannot be reset. So let's do local effect equals instance new color correction effect. Effect dot parent equals game dot workspace dot no workspace dot lighting. Then we have to do then we have to animate the flash basically. The effect, can we see something? So this should have a correct color correction effect. Okay, so just 0 and 1 for now. Let's just do the simple thing. What do we want the duration to be? I don't know. Effect dot brightness 1. So wait like 3 seconds. Effect dot just delete the whole thing. Let's try. See how this works now. Okay. Nothing is being done. Well, do we never... Oh, never call it here, that's fine. RE. Don't even have it here. RE equals game for storage refer child. RE. Fire client. I think this should work now. Yep. Very nice. We're gonna make a simple debug here. Go flashing equals false. And flashing equals 0. But then, for example, you flash, I want to have like a 1 millisecond left, I just won't get flash, it's annoying, so maybe not this, not that this. Maybe just you already have an effect. Okay, I'm just gonna animate this, so
gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
just take 1 second. How does this look? So you get flashed and then it should slowly go down. Yep. I think this is fine. Yes, this will do, but priority will have the newest flash, so I think this is fine as is. So I'm gonna name this flashing script. Okay, if it lets me rename it, of course. Flashing, just flashing, I guess. I'm gonna close it, and then we're gonna make the actual flash part, which will involve a player script for you before the flash. And then you will have this. Okay, so let's just will decorate this maybe. Or actually no, just need that. Look at tool. I wonder something. If you have Okay, beautiful. Oh, I guess it's fine. This should work perfectly fine. So to local to actually, I had 2 equals script.print. And now what you have to do. So let me click. It should be through the flash. We can't probably make this modular too. But then I can also make this modular, so that's it. Okay, let's just first make the functional part and then think about efficiency. So, shoulder activated, like function. So basically we want this, so let's let the player is facing that direction. We want this to, after they click it, either go like that or go like that. So, actually view. Go, dot. Maybe this won't be on a 2, so maybe not on a 2. More like on a few player scripts. Okay, so
like you
I just have to do like
to hold the powers of the sun. dream.
Input ne?
Believe in strength. Now I'm the
Evet.
only one.
Dakika. Okay.
Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind. I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. changes around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Yo,
Yo, hello. Oh, it's this guy. Oh, oops.
I can almost feel you
Okay, buddy.
walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
It seems to be working, so I'm gonna try to push a wall in front of this to see if the raycast is on. Okay, I don't want to do that. If the raycast is working, how can I make a part? Okay. Alright, buddy. I don't know what that was, but
I live inside my own world of
okay.
make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink.
Okay, you should not flash me, right? If
The
I'm
ones who
100.
heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading
Should not be happening,
all
so let's see
around
why
my
this
room.
happens.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Oh, wait. Yeah, if on screen
Take my
and
eyes open to
not
reality.
locked.
Why can't
Return
you
true.
just let me eat my
It was
way
some sort of
freely?
boolean.
I
Yeah,
live
okay,
inside
so this
my
shouldn't be
own
happening.
world of
Pretty sure.
make-believe.
Unless something is
Kids
going
screaming in the cradles,
wrong with this.
profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I see what's going on. It's counting me as a thing to collide with. So how can I add like a blacklist to myself?
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
Okay, I don't really know how to do the raycast, so I'm gonna have to find how to do it by copying. So
Just wanna be carefree.
okay, what is wrong here?
Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my
There's a higher
pockets. Gonna Just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Should be fine. Oh. Oh, Buddy didn't even have a thing here. Just call the result, I guess. Result. Let's print the result so we see what this gives back. If we remove that, what it does, so. Oh, shit, we don't even. Origin should be the flash, right? So pause. Direction should be pause minus camera does see frame the position. And the Raycast params should be Raycast params. Pretty sure this should be fine. I haven't really worked with this in a while, so I don't know. Okay, so it's still connecting to something. I don't understand. Let me go to the documentation real quick. There we go. Exclude instances. I think just exclude instances, so like that. What? This makes zero sense, but okay, I'm gonna have to ask an AI. I don't know if this is considered cheating. I don't know what to do else really, because it should be working, like the logic should be this, but it's not working, so I need further help. Oh wait, I mean yeah, result is not even the correct thing. Okay, so The AI is confused itself. It says that it should be filtered descendants instances. AI attribute instance, and you should have dot filter type, and then just put blacklist on. I'm pretty sure. Let me check again. Yep. Filter type equals enum dot filter type dot black. Raycast filter type dot blacklist, which is deprecated. It's still colliding, and still I don't. Okay. Okay, this makes zero sense. I'm not even kidding. Does it have to be client? Does it have to not be client maybe? So let me deactivate the script for a second. Check on my things not be messed up. Wait, where am I? Okay. So let's disable both of these and this, and we're just gonna copy basically everything here. Actually, let's just copy the part with the raycast, and let's actually make a script inside this. Do now this should be oh wait, I just realized it's going to the camera. Wait, hold on. I have been long time. It should actually be going to the player. I mean the character, so level player. Game the player, so level player. And then we do. It still doesn't make sense because it was not visible to the camera either, but let's just give it some, chances. And here we put new player dot character dot position. Or dot humanoid required the position. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it like, wait, hold on. Let's activate everything for a second and test this again. It's still gonna flash me regardless. Yeah, it's completely ignoring the fact that there's a thing in front of it. I don't understand why. So it's not wrong then. Now let's try this. Find first child. They just should. Okay, so first of all, there's a mistake here. Okay, my bad. Let's remove the. I mean, the thing is. Okay, this should work technically. I don't understand this. This should not be working, but it's completely ignoring the fact that I'll have to ask it. Flash only work for you. No, that's not the issue. The issue is that because I have like a thing in front of this, and I have two issues. So there's a thing where it tests whether or not the flash is inside of the player's screen, and if it is, it's gonna flash them. But we also have added a secondary argument, which is the flash blocked? Select the center position of the flash. We create a raycast between the center to the center of preferably the player's camera. If on first screen, for now added it to the player because just to give you more of a chance. It doesn't matter if it was on my camera or not, because my camera would still be here, which is blocked, or even first person is blocked. So I made it to the character to be short, still doesn't work. So basically it's completely ignoring the fact that there's something there. Okay, so it's blocked. But maybe hold on a bit. Am I dumb? Am I dumb? Am I dumb? Hold on. Okay, am I stupid? Hold on. I might be stupid. Okay. It's both blocked and it's both on my screen. Okay. I mean, sorry. Okay, because it's blocked. So this is very interesting because if both of them are true, it's true, not true, which creates false, then how is it returning true? Oh my, oh bro, I'm fucking stupid. Man, I'm fucking stupid, aren't I? Okay, I don't know what to. Okay, so, man. I'm fucking stupid. Oh, okay, so the shoe shouldn't have happened. Wait, why did I get flushed? Okay, so it's still doing stuff that it should not be doing. Blacklist. Did you add the part to blacklist? Where do you qualify? Yes, I no. So you mean like the flash itself? You probably are saying. But the thing is, okay. So I'm gonna also put the flash here. That's a good call. But that's not the issue. The issue is that it doesn't matter because so is here starting true and false, which means it is on screen and it is blocked, but this is still somehow returning true. Oh, why is it not blocked though? That's the thing. So is it blocked now? Okay, so now it's blocked, it's saying. What about now? It's not on my screen, but it's not blocked now. So it's saying that the recast from there to there is blocked, but here for some reason it's not blocked. I don't know how this makes sense. There's like a whole thing there, and it's saying that basically. Okay, there we go. It's basically saying that from this to this, there is nothing in between, which is just not true. Don't really know what I'm doing wrong here. I mean, the code should be correct. No. Can I call result.name or something? Doesn't have a name. If the conquer property is off, then the array can go through it. Does it all have conquer off? I don't think it should have conquer off. No, conquer is on. Conquer is on. It's anchored. Don't know what that does. But maybe there's something wrong with the wall. So let's try another wall. Also, there's like a thing here. Like, there's an error when creating. Don't understand. Maybe the wall wasn't thick enough. I don't know. Damn. There it is again. My god, bro, is so much more advanced. I've tried learning Lua. Trust me, this is nothing to stuff I have seen. Plus I'm not even getting what I'm trying to get here. Okay, so I don't really understand how this thing is not colliding with this. Okay, let's okay, so we make a parameter of the recast and we set filter type to exclude, and we filter everything of this category to be excluded. Now, gain the players to local player the character should have zero correlation with this part since it's under workspace. So I don't think it has anything to do with this part. So now over here, take the position of the flash. Then we have the position of the flash again. Make a direction towards the player. Okay, let's try doing this. What if we invert the direction? What about this? Okay, I found it. I found it. Okay, so this was the mistake. I don't understand how this is a mistake, but basically the thing that was making this not work is this line over here. So what I did previously is have position minus player character humanoid required dot position, which should make the position point towards the humanoid. But instead, if you have the player point towards the position, it's working now. I don't really know why. I don't really know what is different. But as you can see, it does work. I'm not getting flashed. The second though that I go here, I should be flashed. I don't know how this scripting thing works, but I don't know why it's so picky whether or not it's first or second, but we found that was the thing. Okay. Helps a lot. Now I can finally progress. This should work perfectly fine then. No issues. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and delete the script and don't need it anymore. Let's enable flush main. And now let's work on throwing the thing. Okay, so enter input service. When we get inputs, we begin the whole thing. Obviously, if we are interacting with the game in a way that should not, if we're opening chat, using a tool, whatever, we should not have this work. It should be an innate domain. Yes, technically innate domain. It should not be. It should only be possible if you have nothing else going in the game. Like, you know, it is. I mean, I'm about to explain things, but it should make sense. Like you can't be doing this and clicking E and expecting it to work. That's what game process does. Now, so if input is E and we are holding flash, then we unselect it basically. If it's E, but we're not holding the flash, then it starts holding the flash. Now, if the input is mouse click 1, which is left click, and we are holding the flash, it throws it to the left. Else, if we right click and we're holding the flash, it throws it to the right. Else it ignores it. If you're not holding the flash, it ignores it. So, after you throw the flash, holding flash should be false, throwing flash equals true, which means and throwing flash equals true. And then we do, okay, so first of all, let's do the hold flash. What should it look like? So let's take an avatar for each second. Let's take this. Okay. This is R15. R15 sucks, man. Fuck. Okay, so for R6, we should basically have something like this. Like the arm should basically just go up like that. And hold the flash. Obviously the flash is kind of big, so let's make it smaller. If you don't know, I'm trying to make the flash from Valorant, you know the game, from Phoenix. So you should be holding it like this. And I'm just gonna back the game out. No, okay. It should be something like that. So basically from the POV, it should look something like this. How do we do this? I never worked with hands. I don't know how this is possible. Maybe we make a copy of the player's arm. If it's R15 upper arm, if it's R6, maybe just the arm in general. We place it where we want it to be on the screen. So we need to weld it to the camera basically. And then we weld this to this. Then when we click right or left click, we make an animation of it being thrown, for example, left or right. This is advanced for me, so I don't know how to do this. If we will, first of all, let me try to do, shit. Not you. Okay. First of all, okay, let me save this game, first of all. No, thank you. Just call this flash test. Now, I need to... Let me search on... Actually, first of all, let me try doing the thing that said. Okay, did not mean to open that. Let's disable all scripts for a second. Let's have the new script. Local player equals game, the players called local player, local character equals player dot character. How do we detect whether or not it's a how do we detect whether or not it's a R6 or R15?
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but these two
A rig type.
put the time in while you always yelling time.
Wait, what? So humanoid rig type. So let me see something. So if I add a rig to workspace, you should have rig type on it. Oh, okay. That's really helpful. So I want to do this. It might not be the best way of doing what I'm trying to do, but our local search equals
flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
right arm.
Going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Let's delete this guy. We got what we wanted. So I want to see. Okay, that's left lower. I probably left lower. I mean right lower. First like right lower. Let's copy this thing too. Delete this. There we go. So I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use ternary. I'm gonna do search equals how do we do this? So I think it's like car dot humanoid dot rig type. Is that how it's spelled? I don't know. No, it's spelled like that. Okay. Enum dot humanoid dot rig type. Okay, so enum dot humanoid rig type dot R6 and right arm or car dot humanoid dot rig type equals enum dot humanoid rig type dot R15 and I think this should. Okay, let me check if this is correct ternary. I'm not really sure. Okay, yes, this is the correct way of using ternary. Basically, what it does, it's so the reason I put search here is so for what I'm gonna be searching. For example, I would be doing copy character, for example, search. Like that. This is what I will be doing. Copy character search. And what it does, if the rig type is R6, we want the right arm. Else, if it's R15, we will be wanting the right lower arm. This is a simplified way of not making two ifs. You just make it in one, and we do exactly what we need to be doing. Now. We will need to be cloning, so local arm equals dot search I mean clone arm dot position arm dot parent equals game dot workspace. Let's see what this does as of now. We do have those slides. Okay, we need to make this wait. Can't be too fast. How do we add a wait? Simply dot character added wait. So we wait until the player character is added. Okay. So if I'm correct, there should be like a random arm somewhere. Oh, there it is. Oh. So it seems it copied the properties also. Okay, that's good to know. Are you trying to make a view model? Doesn't the enum.human type just tell you the retype? Yes, it is doing that exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm basically just searching if whether or not it's an R6 or R15. If it's R6, I'll be needing the right arm. Else I will be needing the left lower arm. For this instance, it gave me the right lower arm. For example, this is an R15 character. And it copied also all the properties, which I will not be needing. What I will be needing to do is rename. Actually, I don't even care about the name. I will need to somehow weld it on my camera so that it's like this to the camera. And then when I'm equipping the flash, I will also need to have this and placing the flash on the duplicate arm. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. First things first, let me try welding something to the camera. So let's disable this script. Let's try welding a part to the camera. It can only be possible between base parts though. I'm still gonna try it, why not? Where the hell is the weld? Where the hell is it? There it is, okay. Yeah, it doesn't work because camera is not a base type. So how do people go about doing so? I know for a fact that they did not weld it to the head because it's relative to the camera. So how do they do it? Maybe they manually change the position every frame so that it stays there, but that's just inefficient. So how do they do it?
No, there ain't no
stopping us.
Ask ChatGPT.
Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm
Okay, let's
If
kind of.
you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt.
Okay, I think for the day I'm gonna leave it here. I'm kind of satisfied with what I did so far. Since I'm also rusty with this, I'm fine with everything I have done. Okay, the whole game is crashed, never mind. So if you're still watching for this, take care. I'm probably gonna try doing this whenever I can. I will try to study on how view models work up until next time. Maybe I can get this working. And then maybe after I get everything working as I want it to be, maybe I can optimize the code using object-oriented programming. We'll see. So for now, I'm gonna leave this here. Thank you for watching and see ya. Appreciate it.